In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependencies in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple timeline where tasks visually connect so you can see what needs to happen before something else can begin. First, open the Notion website and sign in so you're on your workspace. Create a new page by clicking New Page and give it a clear name. I'll call mine Create Dependencies so it's easy to find later. On the blank page, use the / command to add a database. Type /, start typing database, and select the database option when it appears. This creates a structured place to store your tasks. Now, let's see those tasks on a timeline. At the top of the database, click Add View, choose Timeline as the layout, and confirm. You should now have a horizontal timeline where each item appears as a bar that spans dates. If you want, you can make small adjustments here, like renaming the view or adjusting the zoom so the timeline shows weeks or months. These tweaks won't change your data, they just help you see it more clearly. Next, we'll enable dependencies. Open the View settings, go into More settings, find Dependencies and turn them on. Confirm by clicking. Turn on Dependencies. Once enabled, you'll notice a new visual element on your timeline. Notion shows a small orange connection, sometimes called a rope or line, that you can drag from one item to another. This is how you create a dependency link. Let's try it together. Add your first task and call it Item 1. Then add a second task and call it Item 2. Make sure both items are visible on the timeline, ideally with Item 1 happening before Item 2, so the relationship makes sense. Now hover over Item 1 until you see the orange handle appear. Click and drag that orange rope from Item 1 to Item 2. When you release, you've created a dependency that shows Item 2 depends on Item 1. That's the core setup. From here, you can quickly spot what's blocked and what can move forward. If dates shift, the dependency line helps you see potential conflicts at a glance. Keep your item names clear and group related tasks so the timeline remains easy to scan. With dependencies enabled, your Notion timeline becomes a simple visual map of how work fits together, helping you plan and communicate more confidently.